Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to use the React Native modal. So this is the React Native modal we are using, and React Native we have two types of the modal. One is the React Native built-in modal and second one is the community modal. So I'm using the community modal. So like this, these are the example of the modal. This is the modal you can see. So for the installation we need to install, just copy this command and come to your project. If you're using yarn, so you just type yarn and paste that command, and also just remove the npm I, just type add. After that you need to cd ios and install the ports. So I already done these things, so I want to show you how to use this. So first we are going to the documentation. So this is my documentation. You need to import the modal from the React Native modal. Do not the import from this React Native. Come here, just type modal and we need to also have a props is visible true. Then we can see the modal. See, background color. There is a background color. Background drop. I just type red. You can see now the red color also. So now you can see the red color, and also you can change that also opacity, background opacity like this. If you type 0.1, so you can see the 1% of the background. If I type 5, so you can see the half person of the background. So it start from 0 to 1. So if I type 1, so you cannot see the background also. So this is the backdrop opacity. Let me remove these things. So now I have only the shadow also. So let's first I'm going to take a one view. So I will show you how to, this modal will be in the center. Let me type center modal, and also just type the style and just type justify content center, and also align item center. So your modal will be in the center, and also align self center. So you can see your modal is in the center. If I remove the backdrop opacity 0.1, so 0, so you can only see the background also. Let me change the color of this background to the red. You can see only the, this is the modal. See, now this is the modal. Now I will show you how to open and close the modal. For that we need a one button also. So this is my center modal. Let me give you the height and width also. This is the height 200, and also I will give you the width also. It's also a 200. So you can see this is my center modal. Let me border radius 20. So this is my center modal. So now I'm showing you, how to close and open the modal. For that I'm taking one view, const is visible. You can take whatever you want. Set visible, just type u. I'm taking the use state, and by default it will be a false. And just copy this and paste it in your is visible true. By default it's false. Now I'm taking one button, pressable, and text. Inside the text just type open, modal, and just on press, and just set visible true. So it will show the modal. So now if I click on open the modal, so my modal will be visible. So just click on this. See, you can see the modal. If you want to close the modal, so for that you need to set For that you need to on press, in the text just set visible and type false, so it will close the modal automatically like this. If you want to open the modal, so just click on the open close. If you want to open the modal, you should click on this. If you want to close the modal, you can click on the close center modal, so it will close automatically. So now I'm going to show you the animation of the modal. So for that we have animation n, and just type the, so first I want to show you the bounce one, just save it. So now if you want to open the modal, it will show you the bounce first and then open the modal like this. See, if you want to close, let me show you again. Like this, it will be a bouncing. There's a lot of animation, you can check it one by one. So fade and left, let me see this animation. See, it's come from the left side like this. And also we have a animation out also. Animation out, when you want to close your modal, so how it should look. So for that we are using I just fade right. Now if I want to open the modal, it will be come from the left. If I want to close the modal, it will go to the right. So let's see, like this. See, you can see like this. So this is the animation out and animation in. So now I'm going to show you when you open your modal and you click outside your modal, you want to close the modal. So for that you need to clicking outside from the modal. For that we are using the on backdrop press. So just type set visible should be false. Let me correct, false. When I click outside the modal, it will be closed automatically like this. See, if you open it, if you click like there, every part of the screen, the modal will be closed automatically like this. Now I'm going to show you how to create another modal, and the modal should be stuck in the bottom. So for that we are going to take another modal. This is my modal, and first I'm going to apply the styling. So this is my styling. Let me close this modal, and we have a styling bottom. Then the bottom should pass 0, and margin also margin 0, and justify content flex end, and then take a view, just type a text, and I'm typing bottom modal. And also you should define the styling also of a view. Height, I will take a height of the height and 2, and width 100%. So let's see, there is a props also. Let me show the modal is visible, and just type true. So now you can see the modal, so it will be open from the bottom. So let me, in the view we just pass the justify content flex end, and also we should have opacity, backdrop opacity, we should pass 1. So, and also we need to color the red. Now you can see, so this is our modal, see. And also I need a text, we need a center, and also align item center also. So see, this modal is open from the bottom. Sometime we need to open our modal from the bottom. So for that you should have assigned the bottom margin 0, and bottom 0 also margin and justify content 0, so your modal will be stuck in the bottom. So now I'm going to take another state also. Just copy this state and type bottom, and also type the bottom also, and let me copy this and take another copy this button and just type open bottom modal, and just type the copy this, save it, and just copy your is visible bottom and come to your modal, and is visible just type true here, just paste it, is visible bottom modal. Now I'm clicking, so now when I click to the open the bottom modal, so it will be open from the bottom side only. See, if you want to close the modal, so for that we need to and define the on press, and just in here set is visible bottom modal false. So if I press on the bottom modal, so it will be closed automatically. See, so like this we can create and use the modal in React Native. So hope you like this video. See you in next time. For now, bye bye. So